This is training like a Speedcuber for 30 days, week 4. So let's start. For the first few days, I'll start by drilling OLO cases to see which cases I struggle at. Then at the end of the week, I'll learn some OLO algorithms to replace the bad algorithms. At the end of the challenge, I will time myself to see if I improved. We will be learning an algorithm, so let's start. So I choose this algorithm, and the way it works is F, U, R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U2, R prime, U prime, F. So let's repeat it again. So it says F, U, R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U2, R prime, U prime, F. So the way it works is you do F, U, R, then you just do a U2, then put this in, then push this away, then you repeat the same thing, and you put this back in. And that's how you do it. Let's do it really quick one more time. So F, U, R, U2. So that's how you memorize the algorithm. We are going to be doing an average of 5, so let's start. So the average of phi is 18.834, which tied with my average of phi that I did last time.